Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Indian Air Force Group C Civilian Recruitment 2021 Notification 1 and 2. Sulur Air Force Station final result call letter has been declared. So for each candidate who have been shortlisted in a skill test, I don't know that why Air Force Station officers has been releasing call letter first, and also there is no any result declared after attending skill test. They have not declared any skill test for Sulur Air Force Station. So here in the skin you are seeing MTS post call letter has been came from the Air Force Station, Sulur Air Force Station. So you can see there you have been professionally selected for the post of MTS against the category scheduled tribe, released wide advertisement in the employment news 039 April 21. Filling vacancies are under direct recruitment at this depot. You are requested to come in person to office and report to office in charge civil admin 5 BRD Air Force Station on before November 21. On working days will be Monday to Friday. So friends, for MTS working days will be for MTS Insular Air Force Station working days will be Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. afternoon 2 o'clock. 14 means 2 o'clock. To commence the appointment formalities, you are required to bring a certificates in support of age and everything, caste, education, qualification to the Air Force Station. So here you can see the seal of Air Force Station civilian recruitment of 2021 Sulur Air Force Station, and this is a one application for self attestation. So in this self attestation you need to fill your name and home address, permanent address, present address, everything, and you need to carry this application along with you with the original documents. So then once the verifying your documents, they will distribute your final appointment letter of the post. Okay, you no need to worry about the appointment letter. Once you are reached to the Air Force Station before 12th of November, they'll give you one appointment letter of the original appointment letter to the in your hand. Okay, so as of now we are seeing that call letter for Sulur Air Force Station, friends. And in the Air Force Station, Sulur Air Force Station, people who have attended the skill test for MTS, HKS, mess staff, store superintendent, for all, I am telling you, don't worry about the skill test final merit list. And the people who have been qualified in both written test and the skill test, they are planning to distribute the call letter for each candidate, and you will be getting through PED's post call letter for a self attestation form. And once you are carrying with the self attestation form by filling your details and pasting your photo, and carry your original documents to the Air Force Station before the exam date will be expired. So before that you need to submit all the documents, and finally you will be getting your appointment letter, friends. As of now, results were not declared, and they are distributing only call letter for each candidate. And hope for the best. All the best. Thanks for watching, friends. Any doubt, just ping me a message.